Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever your time zone is. Yes, this is another episode on Sure Gold that is sponsored by Goldminearoma. As it is with us, where food always come exciting. Oh, you're just joining us. Welcome, sit, relax, and enjoy a great meal from the table of Sure Gold. Oh, you've been with us before. Thank you so much for always coming by. Please share, like, and subscribe to this channel. So today we have different kinds of vegetable. I have my spinach, chopped, washed, chopped. I have carrot, washed, chopped. I have my cabbage, washed and chopped. And that's basically that. So what we're just going to do, simple ingredient. So I put my flour in it, just little, like 4 ounces. Mix it together, come on. Mix it. Sure Gold seasoning. Everything is on the ready here. Just 1 egg for banding. Let's go. That's all. Boom. So let's go in. Yes guys, this is just it. Vegetable snacky veggie, right? Oh yes, just simple, straightforward, nice, crunchy and snacky guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Kindly like, share, subscribe and push the notification button so that anytime we upload new video, you will be notified. Till we see you on another video. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye.